So people believe that it is when they see what you do, But me, I believe, you know, this spirituality is supposed to be closed, not an open system. It's supposed to be closed, and it is because our forefathers didn't know their boundaries. That is why the Muslims will enter into Yoruba indigenous spirituality. They know everything. They are being empowered by it, and then they will turn their back and then they tell us that it's rubbish. When they know what is inside. The same way in this Obatala school of Odu, we are restricting people. We are setting boundaries, and it's gonna be a change. Just like the Buddha, people that practice Buddhism. It's still remaining a closed system, yet it is still in existence. How did they do it? You cannot see what is happening inside the Shaolin temple and all these things all over the internet. I don't believe that. So how do they do it? How do they cope all those things? We are talking about Yoruba spirituality and every cat and dog. Hey, this is what they do. This is what they do. You don't need to do that before you advertise yourself.